Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Steve's Homestead Workshop. My name is Ellie. Today is April 18th, 2025. The temperature outside is in the mid 70s and we're in zone 8B. I'm heading into the greenhouse and I want to show you a quick look around. In here we have strawberries growing in the ground. Got some tomato plants, cayenne pepper plants, some more pepper plants, another tomato. Over there we're starting some seedlings. And we have some plants in pots. I see some basil and some zucchini plants and a tomato. Over on the side, we have some pepper plants behind the tomatoes. A couple of artichoke plants, and one we already are getting a bud on it. Over here we have another artichoke plant, a lettuce plant, some pepper plants, a curly basil plant, and some cucumbers growing on the fence back there. That's it in the greenhouse right now. But outside the greenhouse, I've been transplanting seedlings into pots. And right now I'm doing some more pepper plants. And behind that we have eggplant. I think it's the Japanese eggplant. It's real slender and it's very tender. It's real good eggplant. I'll have to find the name of it. I believe I got it from rareseeds.com. And I've been spreading our pots all around the yard back here. Here's more plants that we started from seed and we've been transplanting them. Got tomatoes and peppers and radishes. And these are some ornamental plants. Over here I have sunflower, hibiscus, coleus, another hibiscus, and I think that's feverfew right there in the middle. And these are zinnias and sunflowers. Over here behind the solar panels, we have garlic and onion growing in this bed. And over here to the side beside it, we have some salvia, some tomato plants, squash, cucumber, another tomato. Over here we have cilantro, borage, zinnia, a sunflower, some tomatoes. And these, I believe, are the little cherry tomatoes. And you can see they're already got tomatoes. Over here, some basil. Got some romaine lettuce growing, more cilantro, another tomato, some zinnia, looks like a onion or a garlic back there, another sunflower, and I think this is the variety they call Pike's Peak. So it'd be interesting to see how tall they get. Over here I have a marshmallow plant growing. And I have elderberry that I did a cutting off another elderberry plant and I rooted it. Got a rosemary plant down there. This is asparagus. I have mint down there in that long planter. Some more garlic and a sunflower. Over here is what I use for my potting bench sometimes. And alongside the outside of the greenhouse, this is where we're growing our potatoes. In this bucket we have a sweet potato, and the rest are either russets or the golden variety of potatoes. And over here is our herb bed. We have dill, basil, thyme, oregano. I can't remember the name of that plant. But that is our herb bed. Over to the side is our lemon tree. And it has been blooming. And it smells so good. Over here is our olive tree. And we do get olives on it. And as you can see, it's blooming too. All right, everybody. Well, I think that's about it for today. And y'all have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.